Hello and welcome back to Women World. Let's talk to increase glowing skin by naturally. Hydration is key. Drink at least 8 glasses of water daily to flush out toxins and keep your skin hydrated. Lemon and honey mask. Mix lemon juice with honey, apply it to your face, and leave it for 15 minutes for a natural glow. Turmeric and yogurt pack. Mix turmeric with yogurt to brighten the skin and reduce blemishes. Aloe vera gel. Apply fresh aloe vera gel to soothe and nourish your skin. Coconut oil massage. Gently massage your face with coconut oil for deep moisturization and a radiant glow. Exfoliate with sugar scrub. Use a sugar and olive oil scrub to remove dead skin cells and enhance skin texture. Rose water toner. Spritz rose water on your face to refresh and hydrate your skin throughout the day. Sleep and diet. Get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep and eat a balanced diet rich in fruits and vegetables. Green tea benefits. Drink green tea or use cooled green tea bags on your eyes to reduce puffiness and brighten skin. Consistency is the secret. Follow these remedies regularly for long-lasting and natural glowing skin. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and leave a comment below to share your thoughts or ask any questions.